Hi everyone, this is Bagadon, StockMarketCaddy.com, April 14th at about 10 p.m. Kind of an interesting day today, right? We're futures down overnight, juice them in the morning, put everybody to sleep, and then we moved down for 15, 20 minutes between 3:05 and 3:30, and then boom, like somebody flipped a switch, and somebody did flip a switch, and juiced it, to give the sheep a headline. Keep everybody calm, right? In any case, I wanted to come back to a chart that I have not modified one iota. We did this chart eons ago, absolutely months ago, and it has not changed one bit. The yellow line is the S&P. This is the futures contract, the continuous, but it's really the SPYs. We're up here at 1824.75 real time. The green line is a proxy for the transports. We like to use FedEx, and the reason why we chose FedEx, we did this back months and months ago, was that it seemed to have been a precursor of the move down in '08. That was our interpretation back over here. Not going to get into that now, but you can see she is actually breaking her trend, her long this consolidation up here, FedEx, the green line, and here we hang. But the real incredible is the time cycle that we had drawn from the crash low to in and around the flash crash. And this is the time cycle, and we've always said that these central bank as well for the trains to run on time. And what week was this? It was telling us that if the price hadn't come down by this time, this period, both on price and on time, the market would be on borrowed time. And let's just look at that. That, folks, is next week. Absolutely incredible. Um, I thought up in here, up in here they couldn't make it. So anything past next week, the market, as she hangs up here, is on borrowed time. We think it's down. Some of our other weekly, this is a weekly indicators generating a sell signal, major divergence, and that's what we anticipate. So you have to size yourself properly so that you can hang in there. And let me give you a glimpse of our radar. I want to give everyone a glimpse of our radar. This is real time. We're seeing some ticks now. As I had been saying on Friday, we did get short. We made some good money. We're still short, but we took some profits. The problem was on the volatility index that she was still flat, and she still is flat. So she's not confirming this short yet. We need the volatility index, the VIX, to get into a long position on the daily. And she hasn't done that yet. She still has a tailwind. We think she's going to do it. Maybe at the end of tomorrow, or maybe being a short options week. I'm not sure if the markets are open on Friday, but this is an options week. Maybe they get some of the new money in, and maybe it's going to be into next week that we retest again. But the daily on the S&P is short. The Russell, continued so nothing but to us but a dead cat bounce. Again, though, if you're trying to come in on a short position, you've got to come in. You got to size yourself properly so that it's up to you. What we like to do is come in with a handsome amount, and so then we have some monies to take off, and then we can leave another amount on the table for the longer time frame. So I hope that's helpful to everyone. You need to be patient. You need to get a systems approach. You need to find a mentor. We're always saying that. We're not about just throwing out. We've been fortunate of late. We've had some really nice calls. Sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't. But we look at the markets pretty much the same way each and every time. So we thank folks for the nice comments. But for us, this is a business, and we're going to be doing this. 3 months from now, 6 months from now, God willing, year from now, and this is what we do. So good luck. Call us anytime if we can help you design systems and try to get into a disciplined approach. Good luck, everybody.